So we want to show you what we recently got for my daughter. Her vacations are about to start, so we start to buy or get different things for her to keep her doing something at home, something funny. So we got these scratch papers. This is super cool. I found that really good for her because they come with 50 colorful scratch papers. They also have 6 wooden styluses and 4 drawing stencils. So this is super good. They also come in 5 different colors. The colors that it has are black, yellow, green, white, and rainbow. So we're gonna open the scratch paper, we're gonna open the box, and we're gonna see how it looks. The last thing that I just wanna mention is that I found this super good as well for a gift, to give it to her friends for birthday or different type of gifts or special events, because you can do everything on the paper, so their imagination can come over to express it on the paper. So we found that super good, and we're gonna open it right now. Let's see what it comes. Actually, this product is recommended for kids 3 years old and up, so make sure that you are aware of that. Whoa! That's really good.
Whoa!
Okay, so let's see what it's include. Wow!
Super cool, guys.
Yes, so here are the scratch papers.
Scratch paper. I got them.
That are the wooden stylus, so they can draw these figures that are here. And here are the pencils.
I'm starting to cough a lot.
Here are the pencils. So let's see how she does it. Here.
Let's go.